I'm Rainbow. Now I'm glad to show you an extremely powerful and flexible LED spotlight and hybrid series, HB37. Where there is life, there is sports. Still, most of the tennis courts, soccer courts, or baseball courts are illuminated by traditional metal halide, or HID, which provides low quality of user experience during activity as a result of insufficient lux level and poor light distribution. HB37 is available on 450 watts and 600 watts, up to 170 lumen per watt. It is ideal to replace 1000 watts or higher wattage metal halide. There are 5 distributions for optional, including narrow, medium, and wide. Visor is available to reduce uplight. It is dark sky friendly. Driver box can be installed separately. Very easy for maintenance and save labor costs. Intelligent controls is a trending, satisfying more applications, and also save furthermore energy. Before releasing a new product to the market, we did full series of reliability tests. For example, 3G vibration test. EPA is only 1.84 square feet. Salt spray test, 3000 hours. IP66, IK08, UV test, high temperature test, loading test, glow wire test, package job test. HB37 is versatile. It can be used as LED spotlight or LED hybrid, 2-in-1 solution to reduce SKU and warehouse management cost. There are 2 installation methods optional: hanging installation and bracket mounting installation. You can also choose accessories based on different applications. For further more information, please contact us at www.agcled.com. Thank you for watching.